Hello everybody, it's Nick here with Nick Tolman Music, and today I'm really excited to be launching and announcing our new guitar series using Hal Leonard's Guitar Method Book 2. If you're new to the channel, something that we've been doing here for a long time is we've been doing guitar lessons using both the Hal Leonard series as well as the Mel Bay series. And, a little while back I finished all of my lessons for Book 1, so you can go back and, if you haven't started, and follow those lessons. I do a lesson for every single page in Book 1. And today we're going to go ahead and get started with Book 2. Before we get started, I would like to tell you just a little bit about what you can expect to learn using this book. And then I'll go ahead and play the first and the last exercises in the book for you so you can kind of get a gauge of exactly what it is that you're going to be learning. This book is exciting. It comes with 92 new exercises of new songs, new riffs, new exercises, all kinds of things to help you progress while learning guitar. It's going to teach you all kinds of new concepts, including dotted rhythms. It's going to incorporate power chords. It's going to introduce second position, which is basically being able to move from always playing down here in first position with your first finger on the first fret to up to the second fret, right? So it's kind of starting that process of moving up the strings. It's going to teach you the pentatonic scale and a lot of different pentatonic riffs that are really great in a lot of applications, whether you're playing blues, country, rock, whatever. The pentatonic scale is amazing, and the riffs in here can be applied to any of those genres, so that's great. The book has about 20 new songs with words. That's one of the things that I really love about the Hal Leonard method, is that it gets you right away, even in Book 1, playing and singing at the same time. So if you're interested in that, Book 2 is going to continue that. There's about 20 new songs that you'll learn. And great songs, ones that you're probably familiar with, things like House of the Rising Sun, Scarborough Fair, La Bamba, Swing Low, Sweet Chariot, and many, many more. There's lots of really great songs in here for you to learn. So that's really cool. I'm really excited to be diving in with this. All of these lessons will be available to you directly here on my YouTube membership. So click the link below, become a member today, and you can get access to all of my Book 2 lessons. It's really exciting. I look forward to seeing you there. Here we go. Let's go ahead and play some for you. All right, so the first exercise in this one is actually just a chord exercise. The very first thing you learn in here is a new chord. You're going to learn several new chords throughout the book, but exercise 1 is incorporating the A minor chord. All right, so that's the first exercise. The first actual song you learn is a few down. It's called Sinner Man, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and... All right, there we go. So that's the beginning of the book. Let's take a look at the end. The very last exercise in the book is called Grand Finale, seeing a common theme here from Book 1 into the last book. Both of them ended with a song called Grand Finale. All right, so here we go. Here's Grand Finale. right. Yeah, that's a lot of fun with the double stops, the power chords, the blues riff. Man, that's a really great exercise. This book is fantastic. I really look forward to seeing you. I'm going to walk you through every single page, every single exercise, and give you a lesson every step of the way. All right. So I really look forward to seeing you again. Check out the membership link below to get access to all the lessons in Book 2 of the Hal Leonard Guitar Method. We'll see you over there. Thanks.